Hi, in the last video, we used the browser to make API calls to the Telegram server. In this video, we are going to do exactly that, but using Python shell. Let's open up terminal. The first thing is make sure you have requests, which is a third-party library, installed. So pip install requests. I've already installed. Then we open the shell. We need to import requests. I will import prettyprint that will format our JSON nicely. It make it easier for us to read. So let's say from prettyprint pprint import pprint. Let's get this URL here. Let's paste it to the URL. Then let's make a get request to this URL. So I'll say response is equals to request.get the URL. This will make a network call. Get 200 status, so it was successful. And also, let me maximize this. We get the JSON. Let's say response.json. This is the JSON response from the server. I'm going to print this one so that it will be legible for us. Right now it's not legible, so I will say pprint. I will wrap up this in a pprint function, and now it's much readable. So let's look at the structure of this response. We have a dictionary response, and inside this dictionary we have two items. We have the OK, I key true, and then we have a result. These results contain a list of all the messages, and each message is a dictionary with two keys, that message and update ID. And for a message, it contains a dictionary with all this information about chat, date, entities, from, message, text. Let me grab the text from this input and print the text messages for all these messages. The first thing, I'm going to grab this list from results, which we're going to iterate over. So for message msg in response the JSON, because this is a dictionary, we grab results. This will give us a list, this list containing dictionaries. Then we need to grab the message for each dictionary message. So we'll say msg grab the message. This will give us the message dictionary for each messages here. Now from this dictionary we need to get the text. So we come here and say, and grab the text. So this should print all the messages we've received from this port. And there you go. We see the hello world, which was the last message. Of course, we can use request to make API calls. But here we will do a lot of work. In the next video, I will show you a third-party package, and the package is a wrapper allowed Telegram API, and it makes our life really simple. So see you in the next video.